Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is for you, pipe fitter, and of course all related in the piping. This is a simple information, and this is a very important in piping works. Okay, so this is piping design data, and we have nominal pipe size 5 inch. Okay, so in millimeter this is 125 millimeter. So in piping parts dimension and weight, we will start from pipe. So this is pipe in ANSI B36.10 and 36.910, but 12 fittings ANSI B16.9. so this fittings is for butt weld. So meaning of BW is butt weld. Fittings 36.19 and 16.9. So this is for 5 36.10. Okay, so we will start from 5. So this is for nominal 5 size inch. So this is the outside diameter for the dimension. Okay, they have 141.3 and the radius is 70.65. Okay, next for the elbow, so this is 90 degrees elbow. They have LR and SR. So LR is long radius and SR is short radius. In LR we have a 190.5, SR 127. Okay, so this is a 45 degrees, 79.4. so this is for 5 inch. Okay, 5 inch, 125 millimeter in millimeter. Okay, so next is T. So this is a takeoff of T in 5 inch, 123.8. so this is the table of 40. We have a size of 432 and 117.5, 111.1, 10.8, and this is for the reducer. So this is the number for the dimension of the reducer. Cap dimension, so this is a minimum 5 for 5 inch. So we have a 50. Okay, so this is a 50. So it means if we have a fittings to fittings, so this is a concentric reducer and we have 90 degrees elbow, we will connect for the minimum. If we will install the 5, we will put a minimum of dimension 50, no other than lower. Okay, lower 50, this is not acceptable. So minimum 50 up. So this is stub end. This is in dimension, and we have a weld gillette. Okay, in the weld gillette they have a thickness and weight. Okay, so this is it. So this is thickness. So we have standard, XS, schedule 160, and WXS 50, 57.2, 57.2, 93.7. This is the weight of this weld gillette. 4.6, 4.7, 6.5. okay, now this is, we have so this is a table, fittings of 8 kilogram. So we have a pipe here, elbow 90, elbow 45, T, reducer cap, and this is the weight based on the thickness. Okay, let for example on the 5, schedule 9, this is schedule 5S, 10S. Okay, standard 40, 120, double XS. So this is a thickness. Please take note that one, this is a kilogram per meter. Okay, so this is it. So in 5S we have a 2.77 millimeter thickness, and the kilogram is 9.46, okay, per meter, okay, kilogram per meter. Okay, and of course also 90 degrees elbow, and we have a cap and a stub, and so please take note all this. So this is a very important information. Okay, so this is fittings to fittings connecting. So we have a reducer T, elbow reducer, okay, and they have a dimension there, and they have an dimension also here. So also this one, so connecting to fittings, elbow 45, and reducer, this is some dimension. So this is a specification for all fittings to be connected. Okay, next is flange. So this is a flange and flange fitting. So that one is the dimension. Okay, SO, so meaning of SO, slip on flange plus pipe, and all these A, C, D, and they have a dimension here. Okay, so weld neck flange, slip on flange, pipe plus 90 degrees elbow, weld neck flange plus 90 degrees elbow, slip on flange plus pipe plus T, weld neck flange plus T, and weld neck plus maximum size of pipe in 1 inch. So this is the table of all these flange and fittings dimension. So this is a flange ANSI B16.5 bulb and ANSI B16.10. So this is it, the dimension. Okay, let for example we have SO plus pipe. So A dimension of this, slip on flange, slip on A dimension A. So this is the dimension based on classification. We have a 25 classification 300, 600, 300. Okay, based on, like for example we have a dimension A class 600, so this is the dimension 330 for this. Okay, well, please take note that one all, and this is a very useful in the piping works. Okay, this is it. So we have also and bolt, weight, gate, globe, and check bulb. So this is all bulb, check bulb, globe bulb, gate bulb, and we have also weight, bolt, they have a diameter of bolt, stud, machine bolt. Okay, based on classification of course. So, and of course they have a dimension of bulb here. So this is the dimension of bulb, and check from here all from the table, check here what is the dimension and based on the classification. Okay, so that's all for now guys, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and just leave in a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this video we have isometric here, a real isometric, how to read isometric drawing. This is part 2. Okay, in my video this is a part 2 how to read isometric drawing. So if you hold this isometric drawing, first you must check the revision number. These are important: revision number, the sheet number, the line number, and the area, and of course also this material description, the pipe, what type of pipe, what type of fittings, what type of flange, and flange, gasket, bolts, bulbs. So this is the isometric drawing, and also this is the orientation. Okay, if you fit up this check bulb, check the flow direction, the ratings, okay, the type of a check bulb, and the type of pipe, this is a carbon steel, carbon steel, or stainless steel. So this is isometric. Okay, this is the spool number, and this is the joint number. If you see this joint number, they have a line there. This is a field weld, and this joint 20 is a shaft weld. Okay, this is the dimension. This is important, the dimension. Okay, and this is the gate valve, the flow direction. Okay, we have a flow direction. This arrow is a flow direction, the spool number, the joint. Okay, if you see this cloud, they have a revision from this drawing. Okay, this is the new revision. Okay, we have a continuation here, and also in this one continuation, the elevation, the northing, and the easting. Okay, so this is the how to read the isometric. All level here from the isometric, you must check it. Okay, if you are going to fit up, or if you are going to erection in the 5 rack. Okay, check the northing. Okay, northing and elevation, and also the area. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and this is the simple video to how to read the isometric drawing. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have learned about this video regarding how to read the isometric drawing part 2. So thanks, guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is isometric drawing, and we will make an line checking. Okay, so this is how to line checking. First, you must check your isometric if this is a new revision. Okay, this is a number one important. Check your revision drawing, new isometric drawing. Okay, and then check your location when you going to the site. Of course, check first your location and your area, your elevation. Okay, that one is the important when you go to the line checking. Okay, in this isometric drawing, okay, we have F6, G13, V14. Okay, this is plans, gasket, and bolt. Okay, you must check also this all here in isometric. You must one by one. Okay, check the gasket, check the bolts. Okay, of course you must check this gasket and bolt in material description. Okay, what is the code and the specification, what type of bolts you are using based on isometric, what gasket are you using based on isometric, based on material description. Okay, check the joint if this is already full weld. Okay, sometimes they have putting a tape. Okay, they have a roundabout tape. Okay, you must check that. Remove the tape. Sometimes they have not yet full welded, only tacking. Okay, check the specification, all the material installed here in based on isometric. Check all the specification, what type of materials. Okay, and also they have sometimes they have tack welding on the vibe, but just comment that one. Okay, so this is fittings connecting to the pipe. Check all the joint if already welded. Okay, also the orientation of this bulb. Check the code and orientation, what type of valve of this. Okay, check all this on the material description. Okay, this is also support. Check also this support, what type of support. So you can check this support in the support details drawing, okay, if they are correct installing of support. If this support is welded type on the pipe, you must put a category. If this only tack weld, just put a category. If this is not full welded, okay, in the support. If only guide, not welded type on the pipe, only category. The only attachment of the pipe, just put an category A. Okay, this is plans. Check all these plans and specification. Weldolet, okay, nippolet, bulb, elbow. Check the orientation. So this is the flow direction. Okay, all these are based on this material description. Okay, all installed in the pipe, you must check all here in the materials description. This is the number one important for line checking. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you next time, guys. Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So this is isometric drawing. Okay, this is for you and all new pipe fitter. So this is the actual isometric drawing. Okay, so in this isometric drawing, first to be checked is the latest drawing. Okay, so how to check the latest drawing? So you must check the revision drawing. Okay, so in the revision drawing, you can see here in this table. So this is, we will check here in the revision drawing. Anyway, if you see this cloud, so this is a new revision drawing. So this is a new isometric drawing. Okay, so they have a line number. So this is the line number. I will zoom it. So this is the line number. This is the line number of the isometric drawing. Okay, and this is the revision. Okay, and we have a sheet number. So this is the sheet number. So always check this revision and the sheet number. So this is the design area, the unit. Okay, and we have also on this table, we will see it here, the design pressure. So the design pressure is here. So this is the design pressure, the operating pressure, test pressure, chemical treatment, insulation code, and DE. So you can see here in this table. So how many percent of NDE? So let's say this is NDE 5%. And painting code, so this is a painting code 21. So we have also in this isometric design temperature 90, and this is operating temperature, commissioning system, internal cleaning, tracing, and painting system, and also a line list, PNID number. So this is the PNID number. If you want to check this line in the PNID, check here what is number you will find it in the PNID. So this is the PNID PIMP class. Okay, so all here in this table. Now, okay, this is the BOM. So this is the bill of materials. Okay, and this bill of materials, the type of materials here is the size, code, and the quantity. So this is the quantity, code, and the size. So size is 100. The fittings here, so 5. So this is 833 grade 6. So this is the pipe ASTM. Okay, fittings. So here is 90 and 45 degrees elbow and plans. How many? Size, code, and the quantity. And also here is the cut pipe length, welded list. So weld list. So this line is this portion is for the erection materials. The gasket, instrument, supports, and also bolts. This here. Okay. So this is the line to be fit up in the fabrication. So if you see this one, this is a field weld, this is a shop weld, supports. So if you see this arrow, so this is a flow direction. It means the service is going there. Okay, and also in this isometric, you see this shadow. So this is the important to be checked. If you are in the fabrication, check always this shadow. Where going to be and where is the orientation. Okay, and this is the orientation going to north. Okay, so this is the isometric number, and this is the actual isometric. So this is for you for all new pipe fitter. Check the continuation, the easting, northing, and the elevation. This is the important in the field. Easting, northing, and also the elevation. Continuation also, and they have also continuation here. So this is the spool number. How many spool? 1, 2, 3. So that one is the 3 spool. Okay. So a lot here you can learn here in the Isometric, but this is only a basic knowledge and basic tutorial. We have more videos coming up for this, how to read the isometric drawing. Okay, so if you see these symbols, so this is a support, and they have also this hidden line is a trace line. Okay, tracing line. So this support is, they have a comment here, hold down support. So this detail to be checked in the other drawing, support details. So what type support is this? So this is guide, or this is pipe shoe. Okay, all to be checked in the support details. Okay, so that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye. God bless. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So again, this is specification, support, details. So in my other videos, they have guide and pipe shoe. Okay, so this is a pad. Okay, So this is the support. See this? And they have also a specification of degrees. Okay, so this support and 120 degrees. From the center of this, so this is the center line of the pipe. From the center they have a 30 degrees. Okay, and this pad we have 120 degrees. So this is the specification. You must follow these degrees or less rejected by inspector if you are not following that specification of degrees. Okay, so we have also weld symbols. So this is these symbols, if you see this circle, so this is weld all around. Okay, and arrow side 1/4 field weld if installed in the field. Okay, so they have also a note, field weld if installed in the field. Okay, so cross section, and we have elevation. So this is the elevation. We have, so this is 12 inch for the pipe within unit battery limits and 18 for all others. So the dimension of this pad. So this is also comment on note, 12 inch for pipes within unit battery limits and 18 for all others. So they have also a minimum thickness. Minimum thickness pipe hole, maximum 3/4 thickness pipe. Minimum thickness pipe wall, maximum 3/4 thickness pipe. So they have a maximum 3/4 thickness of pad. Okay, and of course this is a very important. So the whole of this pad. So they have also a specification what size of bend or hold to be used on this pad. So they have a 1/4 diameter bent hole in pad. Okay, what is the purpose of this pad? This is what is the purpose? Or this is my question to you, all my subscriber and all to be watched on this video. Just leave a comment. And what is the purpose of this bent hole or 1/4 diameter bent hole in pad? What is the purpose of that bent hole? Okay, that is my question to all of you guys. And the specification, this is a steel support and elevation. Okay, so they have also a size with that using this pad. So on this cross section, so this is a cross section, this is the front view, this is the front view cross section, and we have, this is the side view. Okay, so this is the pad from the pipe. Okay, and specification from the support details, and from the isometric drawing you can see these symbols. You cannot see these symbols of pad. Okay, they have only written there the types of this support, but you cannot see this symbol of this pad. Sometimes they are the symbols there is a 5 shoe. Okay, but you cannot see these symbols of a pad. You can see there the pipe shoe, the trunnion, the guide. Okay, they have a lot of support in the piping. So this is the example of the support details. Okay guys, and that's all for now guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day, see you. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping Welding and DT channel. So again, this is a piping design data, 10 inches and VS nominal 5 size, and piping part dimension and weight. So this is 250 millimeter. So 10 inches is equivalent to 250 millimeter. Okay, so this is a 10 inches, and we will start to pipe again. So this is dimension, elbow, dimension, take off 45 T, and reducer, cap. So this is all the dimension, okay, for the 10 inches. And of course for the 10 inches we have a dimension of fittings to fittings. So this is also fittings to fittings, and we have a box for the schedule, thickness, and kilogram per meter. So this is the weight. Okay, so take note all these guys. So this is important, and weld the lead by thickness and also by weight. Okay, so this for the 5S, 10S, 20. This is the schedule 30, standard 40, 40S, schedule 60, 60S, extra strong, 180. So this is 80, 100, 120, 140, and 160. So this is the thickness, kilogram per meter. 90 degrees elbow, 45 degrees elbow, T-pull, reducer, cap, and stub end. And for the dimension of the flange fittings for the 10 inches pipe, 10 inches dimension. So this is the dimension of the slip-on pipe, slip-on welding flange, elbow, slip-on flange plus pipe plus 90 degrees elbow, weld neck plus 90 degrees elbow, slip-on pipe, weld neck plus T. Slip-on maximum size is 1 inches, weld neck maximum size 1 inches. Okay, so this and this is the by classification. Okay, so this is the unsize 16.5. So this is the type, and the click by classification 125. FF, what is the meaning of FF? Pull pace, and RF is raise pace. Okay, RF, and we have RJ. So this is a ring joint, RT ring type joint. This is a RJ ring type joint, RTJ ring, RJ. So this is ring type joint, the meaning of RJ raise pace. Okay, and of course we have a bolt, weight, gate, globe valve, and check valve by dimension also. So this is the dimension of the valve. Okay, WHL, and we have a WHL here for the dimension of the valve. Let's say gate valve, so this is the dimension, and globe valve, check valve, so this is the dimension based on also by CL. 2,500, 1,500. So this is based on the CL. Okay. So this is the important. Check first the what classification they have. This is 600, 300, 800, 900. Okay. So all this is for the piping works. So that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye. See you next time. Hi guys, welcome back to Piping, Welding, and DT channel. So piping design data. So NPS 6 inches. So this is 6 inches our nominal pipe size. So again, this is a piping design data, piping parts dimension and weight. So in millimeter, this is 150 millimeter. Okay. So pipe, we have a pipe elbow 9045T reducer, and they have a different dimension, of course, for the pipe. So this is the outside diameter 168 and radius is 84. Okay. So this is the takeoff 90 degrees elbow for 6 inches LR and SR. So 228.6 and 152.4 for short radius. And this is for the 90 degree 45 degrees elbow 95.3. So this is T, takeoff T for 6 inches, of course. And this is fitting to fittings connection, and with dimension, of course. And this is also fittings to fittings connection. They have 45 to 45 degrees elbow, eccentric reducer, and this is 90 degrees elbow. Okay. And this is T. This is the column of T with size and with takeoff also. So this is 5, 4, 3, and 2.1. So this is the dimension for the T. And for the reducer, this is the dimension of reducer. This is the dimension of cup, 88.9. So for the 6 inches, the minimum pipe is also 50. 50 above, not 50 below. Okay. If you connect fittings to pipe and also fittings 90 degrees elbow, you must connect a 50 dimension. Okay, 50 above. So this is also stub end, and there is a dimension of the stub end. Okay, for these fittings, this is the dimension of fittings of weight for the 6 inches. Okay, for the 6 inches. So this is it, the column. For the 5, we have schedule 5S, 10S, 40 standard, 80, 120, 160, and double XS. Thickness, so this is the thickness for this schedule in millimeter, 2.77 in 5S, 10S 3.40, 40S is 7.11, 8S 10.97, 120 14.27, 160 is 18.24, double XS is 21.95. And this is the weight per kilogram per meter. Okay, 11.3, 13.8, 28.27, so 42.57, 54.21, and this is 90 degrees elbow, 45 degrees elbow, and T. So this is it. So please take note all this one. So this is a very important for the piping works. And this is the weldolette with the thickness and also weight standard XSM schedule 160. Okay, and we have so this is the dimension of plans and fittings, so that one. And of course they have a classification each of the dimension. So this is the dimension. Okay, so please take note all this one, guys, and very important for the piping works. So for the slip on, so this is SO slip on plus pipe, weld neck plans, SO pipe, weld neck plans plus 90 degrees, SO pipe, weld neck plus T. And you can see all the dimension from this table. And they have also both weight and gate bulb for the dimension. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.